Alright, so here we are. Got some crazy flashing in the corner. Here's my web control, the Duet web control. I got the new version. It is 1.15. Sweet. Looks pretty cool. There's not huge differences that I've seen. I don't know what I'm doing, so bear with me. I got my webcam set up, which is pretty sweet. It was a little confusing for me to do, but I figured it out. And here it is. This is just off my phone. I'm gonna dedicate a tablet to this at some point. A tablet or a regular smartphone. I don't really care. There's been a lot of talk on Reddit and my YouTube page and stuff. They're like, oh yeah, get Octoprint so you can control a camera and stuff. And I'm like, okay, I'm throwing this one out there right now, and it's not to piss anybody off or anything, but what can Octoprint do now that I can't do? This is just a web page. That's all it is. It's not an app. I can log into it from anywhere in the world with any computer that has an internet browser. I guess some browsers are better than others. Chrome works good. Something else works good too, and I don't remember what it is, but I use Chrome. But this pretty much gives me everything I want. Here's some cool graphs and stuff on layer times and all the other stuff. I got all this stuff that you've seen before. This is something new that wasn't here before, and I haven't really figured out fully what it does. This is the baby stepping, and I think, and I could be wrong on this, and if I am, I'll come out and say it afterwards when I find out more. I think that this is for if I start doing a brim and I need to fine-tune my offset, I can just click these buttons, because that's the only reason why I'd be in the print status page. But I got the regular stuff going on here. You can't see anything from this camera right there. There we go. No, that's better. It's just because of me. I want to see if there's any way I can move around icons. Maybe make this landscape mode. It's in portrait right now, but then again, I don't have a real stand for it, so there's not really much I can do about it. But it's pretty cool. If I hit right, then I can adjust any of this like this S. I can change down to smaller parameters to make it check. It'll mean it'll probe the bed every 20 millimeters inside of this space. So I can adjust that stuff on the fly, but it'd be cool to at least be able to view some of these. Jesus, I barely know what I'm doing, so always take that into consideration. But yeah, so I figured I'd show that off, and I'm throwing it out there that what can Octoprint do for me that this already doesn't, because I'm going to dedicate a tablet to this thing. And whatever it takes, I can throw Octoprint on a tablet, I think. I don't want to go the Raspberry Pi route, because then I'm going to have to buy a webcam for it, and I'm still going to have to control it somehow. I can do all that stuff through a tablet, I think. Maybe I'm wrong on that. Somebody can let me know. But tablets are cheap. They have Wi-Fi built into them. They have all the features built into them. And they can run apps. Okay, yeah, maybe it's $10 for Octoprint. That's cool. Nothing against that, but I'm not very technologically inclined when it comes to programming stuff, and I can download an app, and I'm pretty psyched about that. But hey, if there's something cool about Octoprint that makes it worth it, I'm not gonna go ahead and say that the Duet web control is the hot shit of the neighborhood or anything like that. I literally don't know because I've never used Octoprint. And from what I've read about it, I haven't seen anything that I could use that this doesn't already do for me. It has that cool, like, it'll show you a map of where the head's moving right now, I guess. Which is pretty cool, but I mean, if you got a webcam, you can watch it do it live. You don't need a simulation for it. So yeah, I'm throwing that out there. We'll get there. I'm working on it.